Hi, this is Barb from RECUR360 Technologies. Today we'd like to show you how QuickBooks' automatically apply credits feature affects RECUR360. In QuickBooks Online, you can set it to automatically apply credits to new invoices. That's done under the Account and Settings menu in the Advanced choice under the Automation section. Automatically apply credits is currently turned on in my QuickBooks Online account. So when I look at my customers, I have a Dylan Frank customer who has a negative $75 balance. So they have a credit in QuickBooks of $75 on their account. This affects RECUR360 the next time it goes to create a recurring invoice for that particular customer. If I look at my recurring invoices, I will see that Dylan Frank has a recurring invoice set to happen on the 5th day of every month. It would normally charge his credit card, which is a Visa, for the full amount of $100. This is set to run on October the 5th next. Right now, because he has a balance in QuickBooks Online, that credit will be applied to the invoice that gets created prior to the payment processing. So I'll show you how that works. When I press our Process Transactions button, that is going to review all of my recurring invoices, create that invoice to Dylan Frank, send that to QuickBooks where the credit will be applied, then the balance due will be updated into RECUR360, and the remaining balance will be processed on his payment method of his Visa card. So while that's working, let's go look at the customer record for Dylan Frank. When I open that up, then I'm going to see the invoice was created here, and there was a payment processed. An email is currently being sent to him. So let's look in QuickBooks at what goes over. If I go refresh and look again at my customer screen and open Dylan Frank, he now has a 0 balance. When I look at the detail for him, I'm able to see there is my invoice that was just created for $102.75, and there have been payments applied to that invoice. So in RECUR360, that invoice is paid as well. If I look at it, it will show here that the full paid amount has happened. And if I review my payments reports, when I go to payment history, I'm able to see that only $27.75, the remaining balance of that invoice, was processed on his Visa card. The customer gets a paid receipt if it's been emailed to them to show them the balance on that as well. So the customer will see that his credit card was charged for $27.75 with the authorization code, and that the invoice is now fully paid. That is how QuickBooks Online automatically apply credits feature affects RECUR360. If that automatically apply credits option is set to no, then the full amount of the invoice would be processed for payment, and that would be posted to QuickBooks, and the credit will remain outstanding in QuickBooks. So the automatically applied credits feature is beneficial if your accounts receivable in QuickBooks is kept up to date and current and clean so that your open balances on customers are accurate. However, if you have forgotten to remove a payment in QuickBooks, or if a customer has a credit that is not accurate on the QuickBooks side, keep in mind that if the automatically apply credits feature is turned on in QuickBooks, then it will always use that credit first towards any invoices from RECUR360, and then it will process the remaining payment amount. If you have any questions about this, you can get help from us on our live chat in RECUR360 right here under the Support Chat menu. Thanks, and have a great day.